we found out the lintel above the kitchen window was really rusty and delaminating, so it needed replacing. First thing I needed to do was support the brickwork above the window, so I started by knocking 2 bricks out for the strong boys to go into. If you didn't know what strong boys are, them plus acros provide support to the wall above, enabling you to remove enough brickwork to get the old lintel out and the new in. With them in place, it was just a case of breaking out the brickwork to get to the lintel. I did this with my SDS on breaker mode, but you can easily do this with a club hammer and bolster. I wasn't too worried about trying to save the bricks. These were like a darker red than the original house bricks and stuck out like a sore thumb, so we managed to get bricks that are fairly close to the originals. With that done, the lintel just pulls out. I couldn't get an exact length of lintel that I needed, so I got a bigger one and just cut it down, making sure to seal the cut ends with 2 coats of red oxide primer. Next was the fun bit, trying to get in the new lintel. It took a bit of wiggling here and there, but I got there in the end, making sure you have 150 bearing on each side. Then I installed a cavity tray using a bit of DPM. You can just see the remains of an old bitumen one. This was a bit fiddly, but I managed to tuck the new one behind that, so any water will run down and then onto the DPM. Also making sure you lap up the ends too. These are weep vents, which you can get from Toolstation, and they let any moisture out from the cavity tray. They go at each end and where you flipped up the cavity tray, and also every other brick along the lintel. After all that's done, it's just a case of bricking it all back in. Once it had all gone off for a minimum of 48 hours, I removed the strong boys and filled in the mortar where they were. I didn't point it up because this whole back wall of the house needs repointing, so I'll do it all at the same time. I'm really chuffed with how well the bricks match, so let me know your thoughts. See you in the next one.